So just disassembled these forks here for my 2004 Sportster, and just thought I'd share a few tips on things that you could do to make things a bit easier. So first of all, for these Torx heat bolts that hold in the clamps for the triple trees, they actually, there's Torx and there's Torx Plus, and the normal Torx are actually a bit loose in there. So if you can, I'd recommend a T45 Plus Torx bit instead of a regular. I almost stripped this one out here. I was lucky to get it off. And then also an impact driver, not just for the, I'll use an impact driver on these Torx head bolts here. And then also get a 6mm for the bolt that goes in the bottom that connects to the damper. Not the damper, what do you call it? Can't remember, but yeah, that will make it a lot easier. Just come off just like that. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. I did use a I did use a 6-point socket, 1 3/8 inch for the top, the cap that holds the spring down, and that probably helped too. I put a glove on top just to protect it, because I heard they're quite easy to destroy. So yeah, I think that's it. What else was there? Yeah, I think that's it. I am installing these progressive springs too, so hopefully that makes a difference to the handling and stuff. Yeah, I'll possibly film the left side disassembly. We'll see.